Streamline your legal document creation. With JusticeSphere's AI, you can go from an idea to a polished, formatted legal document in minutes. From your JusticeSphere dashboard, creating a new legal document is fast and simple. First, navigate to the Document Creation button on the left-hand menu and click it. Next, click on the Create Document button on your right. A new window will pop up. Give your document a clear title. If the document you are creating is related to a case you have already created, then select it from the Case field, and then click on Create. Now tell our AI what you need. Type a brief instruction in the text box. For example, draft a bail application for a client accused of theft. When you're ready, just click Send. The AI will instantly generate a complete, professional document for you. Want to make changes? Simply highlight any part of the text and type your revisions. Once you're satisfied with the final document, you can export it as a Word document to share or print. Experience the future of legal practice. Sign up for JusticeSphere today